My primary research interest is pediatric formulation development. Within that, formulating tablets that disintegrate in the mouth. Aston Particle Technologies was set up as a commercial entity to further develop this and industrialize this technology. We've developed a completely different approach where we need to fluidize the particles and therefore to achieve the process of uniformly distributing one material into a given mix.
So we're working on treatments that could make a major difference in respiratory infections, and it's led us to move away from just licensing the technology to actually developing our own products, and particularly anti-infective products.
All the work we've done was based on 20 grams of powder. So the first major challenge we had was to address the scalability.
Of course, COVID came along and we were faced with no way of continuing our pipeline of work.
The COVID-19 grant was fundamental for our business. We suddenly weren't able to undertake research work. COVID-19 allowed us to complete the grant work, paid for our staffing so we could operate as a commercial entity.
By optimizing these critical process parameters, we were actually able to develop this particular technology for wider applications, way beyond pediatric formulation development.